Thank you.
You're welcome. Good boy.
¿Estás cansado?
Sí.
Debes de estar congelado. A ver si no te enfermas con este clima. Tómate tu café. I heard the news. 2 people died.
Couldn't say who. Couldn't say my brothers in the war either.
You cannot blame yourself because you can save some people. You are not in the war anymore. Only in your head.
It's hard to turn off.
Sitting there, and you remind me of your father. He would sit outside in his rocking chair. Always thinking, never talking. But you have done a wonderful job here. Running this place. I can't thank you enough for letting me stay and helping raise Gabriela.